If you've been trying to make money online with no success, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make upwards of £5,000 profit every single month through Depop dropshipping with no inventory. I did this, and within my first month of starting a store, I got 300 sales and was making £2,000 to £3,000 profit in a month with no inventory, all dropshipping, working maybe 2 hours a day. What you're going to want to do is go onto Depop. Now, this is the Depop website. You can do this on your phone as well. Type in keywords like jeans, vintage, blouse, anything like that. And then when you're on this screen, search for brand and go on to other. Now, what you're going to want to do is open up each of these listings. I'm only going to do 4, but you should be doing a bunch more a day to get much more listings out there and get a lot of more sales. Next, go on to each of these products that you've got and check how popular they are. So as you can see here, this has only got 4 likes, but it's in one person's bag. So that shows that a large majority of the people that are liking this, in this case, 25% of the people that are liking this product want to buy it. I would say save this for later, do not get rid of the tab. Next, 5 likes and it's in 2 people's bags. This means that people obviously have a high urge to buy this even with not a lot of likes, and that is the ideal type of product you want, because say Depop doesn't push out your product, you will still get sales because it's so wanted. So save this as well. As you can see here, this is a perfect high quality, high demand product. 28 likes and 7 people have sent offers. You are going to want to sell this, so keep that and save it for later. Go on to here. Now, this is an amazing product. It's in 3 people's bags, it's got 42 likes, and there's 1 offer sent. This shows that so many people want to buy this. That's how easy it is to find winning products. So to actually find where you can source these from, left click, copy the image, go onto AliExpress, go into the search bar and paste the image. The image will come up here, just press search, and then there'll be similar products, if not the exact same product. Now, in this case, the exact same product did not come up, but this doesn't really matter. In this situation, people are only looking for this sort of bag. They're not looking for this exact type of bag. So if the print is different or if the pockets are different, then just sell a different product that is similar to this. However, one thing you must not do is upload pictures of this product and send them a slightly different product. You have to list pictures of the exact product you're going to sell. So say you want to sell this product, you can do these others, bit higher margin, you'd have to sell them for £50, but they will still sell. I would rather sell this product. As you can see, it's only £6 for this high quality bag. This will sell. List it on Depop for around £50 and you can literally make £40 profit from just one of these sales a day. Now do that 3 times and that's £120 profit a day just from one handbag. Again, let's check another product now. This vintage brown women's jacket. Copy, paste it into AliExpress, search, and you will essentially find similar, if not the exact same product here. Now, obviously this is a bit higher margin, but let's say you want to sell this £21.29 one. Open it up and go onto the listing. It's £21.29p. List this on Depop for £60 and this will sell. That may seem like a lot, but people want what they want. If they see something that they really like, and the price is high, they are going to buy it regardless because they want it. So if you do super niche products like this, people are going to buy them no matter how high you sell them, as long as it's reasonable. Sell this for £60, again, £40 profit. Sell 3 of these a day, that's £120 profit. And you can easily be making 5k a month profit from that if you just scale up. Now, are you starting to realize why this is very doable to make minimum 5k profit a month through Depop? If you want to work with me and guarantee your success through Depop, it's very easy. I'll give you a step-by-step guide and literally hold your hand through this whole business process so you can get your store up and running and passively make 5k a month profit. The link is in the description for that. But if you really want to make this work, you will. I've given you all the information, so start today and start making the money you've always wanted to be making online now.